morning from Animal Kingdom Lodge. This is our last morning here. We're actually checking out in a couple hours. Sad. You see the wildebeest and the zebras in the distance? It's a very humid morning, as you can see. Really humid after all those rains that we've been having, rainstorms. But a gorgeous day. I am going to miss being here. Waking up to the animals and seeing them all day long on the balcony is just a dream come true. Just a wonderful experience. I highly recommend staying here if you can. It is truly, truly a blessing. All right, see you guys real soon.